Understanding Headspace, a guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a special topic to discuss: the meaning of the phrase, headspace. This is a term you might have come across in books, movies, or everyday conversations. It's a popular phrase in English, and understanding it can really help in enhancing your language skills. So, let's dive in and explore what headspace means and how you can use it in your conversations. The term headspace refers to a person's state of mind or mindset at a particular moment. It encompasses the thoughts, emotions, and mental state that occupy one's mind. When someone says they need some headspace, they are essentially saying that they need time and space to think, reflect, and clear their mind. For example, if a person is feeling overwhelmed with work, they might say, "I need some headspace to figure things out." This means they need a break from their current situation to calm their mind and think more clearly. Headspace can be used in various contexts, and its meaning can slightly change depending on how it's used. 1. Personal well-being. I'm taking a walk to clear my headspace. In this context, the person is looking for a change of scenery or activity to improve their mental state. 2. Relationships. I need some headspace to think about our relationship. Here, the person requires time alone to reflect on the relationship and their feelings. 3. Work or study. I can't focus right now. I need to find a quiet place to get in the right headspace. In this situation, the person is seeking a conducive environment for concentration and productivity. There are a few common phrases and idioms that use headspace, and understanding them can be beneficial. 1. Get your headspace right. This phrase is often used to encourage someone to adopt a positive and focused mindset. 2. In a good headspace. When someone says they are in a good headspace, they are indicating that they are in a positive and stable mental state. 3. Need to clear my headspace. This phrase means that the person needs to eliminate distractions or negative thoughts to think more clearly. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on understanding and using the phrase headspace in English. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning of this term and shown you how it can be applied in different contexts. Remember, understanding such phrases is a great step towards fluency and feeling more comfortable in English conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.